everyone, so sorry I haven't been making any videos recently. It's cause I've been kind of busy. So what I'll be using in this video is a comb like this. I'll be using some hairspray. You can use any hairspray that you have. Ooh, there's a little bit of makeup here, ignore that. So I'll be using this hairspray. You can use any that you want. And I'll be using some crimpers, okay? And it's already on and I'm using it at the highest temperature. Okay, let's get started. So what you have to do first is I'm just going to section off my hair. Okay, like this. And then you're going to just crimp your hair. Like to start from here, and you're just going to press it down and hold it for like 10 seconds. Just going to continue pressing it down. Hi guys, you can also like change the style a bit if you want. Like you can get all of your hair out the way and like do this, you know, a little poof at the top. And what I'm gonna do is just put a clip on right there. This is the other hairstyle that you can do. Just get the hair out of your face. And I'll see you in my next video. Bye!